welcome to the Miss Lalana's Math Game Show, where you, and you get to win absolutely nothing but the best imagined car in your mind. You can win that, and guess what? You get smarter and smarter anyway. All right, so before we begin, you need to go get a friend, go get an enemy, go get a parent, get a family member, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, whoever you're going to get to compete in today's episode of the Miss Lana's Math Game Show. Today's episode is multiplying and dividing decimals. All right, now to begin, you and everyone that is competing today needs to make sure that they have a pencil, a notebook, your math notebook, or scrap paper so you can work these problems out and get your points. All right, so you can follow two different rules in the game. You can either give the point to the first person that answers the questions right, or you can give the point to everyone that answers the questions right, okay? All right, now, all right, are we ready to begin? All right, there are 10 questions in this game. Are you going to be the winner? Raise your hand if you're going to be the winner. All right, let's go. Number one. I'm going to work it out while you work it out. 487 times 2 2/10. Is it A, 107 41/100ths, B, 107 14/100ths, C, 1071 4/10, or D, 1071 14/100ths? Now remember, when we are multiplying, you do not need to what? To line up the decimals. You do not need to line up the decimals. You do not need to fill in your zeros. Just write them vertically and go ahead and multiply. All right. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. The correct answer is C, 1071 4/10. And here is my work right here. Compare that to your work. All right, remember, when we have one decimal place in the question, we have one decimal place in the answer. All right, question number 2. All right, we have 6 27/100ths times 4/10. Go ahead and multiply that. All right, your choices are A, 2 668,000ths, B, 2 558,000ths, C, 2 608,000ths, or D, 2 508,000ths. Now, again, like I told you earlier, remember, you do not need to line up your decimals. You just write the problem vertically, multiply, and then what? Put your decimal at the end. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. If not, here's the answer. The correct answer is D, 2 508,000ths. All right, and here's my work. Remember, when we look at the problem, there are 1, 2, 3 numbers after the decimal. So when we go to the answer, I have 1, 2, 3, count it over. All right, so who got that point? All right, the next question. This is question number 3. Excuse me if this is shaking. Every time I move the table or touch the laptop, it moves the screen. So shaking, excuse that. All right, number 3. We have 14 and 4/10 divided by 6. Go ahead and divide. Is the answer A, 1400s, B, 2400s, C, 1 and 4/10, or 2 and 4/10? Work that out while I work it out. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, here's the answer. The correct answer is D, 2 and 4/10. All right, and here's my work right here. All you have to do is that decimal just moves straight up and then just divide like normal. 6 goes in 1 0 times, and the 14 2 times. Multiply, subtract, bring it down, divide again, and the answer, bam, is right there. All right, question number 4. All right, 3 and 7500s divided by 25. Is it A, 103,000? B, 123,000? Is it C, 1 and 2300s? Or D, 10 and 2300s? Go ahead and work that out. 3 and 7500s goes inside the division house. Divide by 25. Remember that decimal does what? It goes straight up to the top. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, here is the answer. The correct answer is B, 123,000. And here is my work right here. Compare that to yours. Now, if you are still struggling with any of these questions, make sure that you ask a friend for help. Ask me for help. Watch any of our videos. Practice online. You have all these resources. Make sure you're using them, okay? All right, moving along to question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 5. Bam, right there. 5 and 4200s times 10 to the 3rd power. Now, you can do the long way and multiply that exponent out, work out that exponent, and then multiply. Or remember the shortcut that I showed you where you add the zeros and you move that decimal point. Do that trick because that's what I'm going to do, okay? So write it down in your notebook or in your scrap paper while I'm doing that. So 5 and 4200s times 10 to the 3rd power. Is it A, 54 and 2/10? B, 542? C, 5,420, or D, 54,200. All right. If you need more time, pause the video. If not, here's the correct answer. The correct answer is, it is C, 5,420. All right, and here's my work right here. 5 and 4200 times 10 to the 3rd. That 3 means I add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Move that decimal from right here. 1, 2, 3 spots. It goes right there. And that is the same exact thing as 5,420 whole. All right, moving on to the next one. I don't even know what numbers this is. What numbers is this? 1, 2, 3. All right, number 6. Number 6. 22 and 5800s times 10 to the 4th power. Is it A, 2,258? Is that millions? All right, B, 2,225, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 2,258, or D, 225,800. Go ahead and work that out. Do the shortcut that I showed you. All right, how many zeros do you need to add? 4 zeros. And then where's that? Where do you put that? On the right side, and move that decimal how many times? 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, your correct answer is D, 225,800. And here's my work for that. Remember, add your zeros at the end and then move that decimal the same number of places. All right, number 8. All right, let me erase this real quick. Number 8. 7 and 91 divided by 10 to the second power. So same thing, do that shortcut. We're going to add the 2 zeros, but where do you put those 2 zeros? In the front, on the left. And then what do you do with your decimal? Move it 2 times to the left. 1, 2. All right. If you need more time, pause the video. If not, the correct answer is... It is D. What? Okay, I have the correct answer there. I messed up. All right, that is the correct answer. I messed up. What did I do? No, what did I do? What? All right. I just kept counting. What in the world? All right, there's my work. All right, instead of 2 times, I moved it 3 times. This is why it is always important to double check your work. All right, moving on to number 8. All right, I want to know, we have 3 more questions to go, 8, 9, and 10. Give me an update on this point. How many points do you have? How many points do you have? Who is in the lead? All right, only 3 to go. Question number 8, 602 and 8/10 divided by 10 to the 5th power. All right, same thing. Go ahead and do what? Add your zeros. How many zeros do you need to add? You need to add 5 zeros. Where do you put that? In the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then move that decimal how many times? 5 times. 1, 2. All right, pause if you need more time. The correct answer is B. How do I say that? 6,028. Hundreds, thousands, 10. What? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. And there's my work right there. Can't even see it. All right, moving on to number 9. All right, number 9. Oh, you know what? You can make it real interesting. Number 9 and number 10 are word problems, so you can make this worth 2 points if you want to. All right. But you don't have to. It could just be worth 1 point. Whatever rule you decide as a group, okay? All right. 58, what? This is like a tongue twister. 58 fifth graders are going on a field trip to an art museum. If each student ticket costs $6.30, how much will it cost to purchase all the student tickets? A, $198.50. B, $254.70. C, $81.90. D, $365.40. All right, go ahead and work that out. right, remember, use your cubes clues, okay? And remember, follow decimal rules. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, the correct answer is... It is D, $365.40. What operation did you have to do? We had to multiply what? $6.30 times 58 students. Multiply that by each ticket costing $6.30. We multiply, and oh, I forgot my dollar sign at the end. Right there. All right, and the last question, number 10. All right, number 10, Samantha paid $19.95 for 7 pounds of grapes. How much did each pound of grapes cost? A, $3.40, B, $3.65, C, $2.85, or D, $2.50. All right, if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, here is the correct answer for the last question. The correct answer is C, $2.85. What operation did we do? We divided right here, $19.95 divided by 7. And there's my work. I got $2.85. Well, I got all 10 questions right, although I did mess up on that one almost. All right, how many points do you have? Everybody tell me how many points you have and who is the winner. Do we have a winner? Do we have a tie? All right, now remember, if you are the winner, you get to win a car in your mind. Think about what car you want in your mind. And also, since you are the winner, I need for you to help me out by helping anyone that you played against that is struggling with these questions. Make sure you help them so they can get smarter too. And that is an additional prize for you, that you actually help somebody get some knowledge. All right, we are done with the game show today. You can play it again, find someone else to play against, or play the other game from yesterday. Don't forget, do all your math test prep practice on the YouTube channel. Don't forget, do all your online practice and get your packet done. All right, I love you. Mwah.